Hello guys, today another Devlog number 1, and now I can show you my progress. I made a lot of work to make this stuff, I think so 1 month, and we have like here some blending texture with the grass, and I need to add something with blending with the side grass, and the same with the and another thing what I do is I made the characters. You probably see the video I upload. I made this character. I have inventory with the slots, the first item, strap rock, pickaxe, and wood and blocks here. You can see in the screen. And let's equip in the quick bar our sharp rock and the same the pickaxe with the numbers. We can equip the left and right hand, and the same if you open the inventory, the backpack, pressing C on the keyboard, you can open this character window where you can put armor, the same, the slots of the weapon or tools, the same. I need to make here on the right side the stats about the tools, weapon, armor, like in the SkySaga in the Alpha 9 probably. Okay, let's go now some mining. You see the selecting block, selection, whatever it is called. Looking the same but different, and this particular effects, I got here the blocks. Then you can mine the dirt. Left click is the left hand, right click is the right hand. Okay, after this showcase I'm gonna show you some settings what I made here. Okay, let's go to the tree. Okay, I made this tree. Probably I need to make better the 3D model and the text, because this tree I made fast because I need the model to just implement the script to procedural generate this tree. And the same, you can go here and you see the outlines show every branch, and the same here on the tree, and we can hit and the tree drop the wooden planks like in the SkySaga. You can see we can pick it up, we can trunk, destroy the trunk, there's branches. And you see I changed the vertical because before I used the default smoke from Unity, and you can see the changing color. This is depending on the object I hit. Okay, maybe more trees. Okay, now we have here 8 planks, the same dirt we can equip in the slot and stone. Press 2 and you can see we have blocks, and now we can place dirt, stone. You can see now oh, let's see some bugs. I need to change this. Okay. Every time I learn. Okay, and let's do like that. Okay, and you can see now here the blending texture. This one texture, the grass texture, detecting the dirt and detecting the grass below, and just place this texture around here. The script, this individual texture, oh no, sorry, is the tile set, about 16 textures, and put in the one, and depending which block is on the left, right, up, down, front, back, they're placing the texture depending of the direction of the block. There is the error or something other block. Okay, what we can do now? Placing more blocks, and now we can destroy and pick up. Okay, so here the jump animation, the falling animation, landing. I make this because it's easier to implement this in the model. I need to make some scripts about two hands weapon like bow, or two hands placing objects like chests or some pillars or other decoration stuff. And now I'm going to show you some Unity stuff, what I do there. Okay, and welcome in the Unity. You can see here the character I made, and with the hands and network visuals. And now let's make the world the same as you see. Okay, we are in the world. Open inventory. Okay, you can see the trees. It's procedure generated. I make the models of this part of the tree, and script rendering the spawning the models in different height depending what I set in the script. But for now is different game objects, as you see here. This maybe cause some problem with the optimization. If I generate maybe big island with big forest, and this will be many trees, and I think so will be some FPS drop. But this can be, but I can do quick solution, maybe not quick solution, but merging the objects with the textures and just in the one mesh, and maybe in the chunk, like here we have here chunks, and here this tree standing on this chunk, just merging the one chunks or the bigger chunks, and storing the data where is the position of the tree, and we can dig and removing verticals of this tree, and the game will be more optimized. And another thing, you can see my edges of the terrain is not sharp. It's this soft edge, bevel edge. I don't know what, how it's correctly spell this, but I bought a script from Unity Assets from SkySaga Interactive. I use for some post-processing to just make the world looking better. Okay, that's it for today. In next film, maybe in 2 weeks, I upload the progress about doing the combat system. Maybe I finish making some animals or weapons, and before that I upload on YouTube. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, don't forget to like this video, and see ya!